I'm Brad Leavitt, president of AFT Construction, located in Scottsdale, Arizona, and we're a general contractor focused in high-end luxury as well as we do, some commercial as well. It's interesting. Early in my career, I learned that, as you're mitigating risk as an owner, one thing that's really tough is you're looking at negotiating work, right? And cost is always a big factor in that with clients. And so how can you find cheaper costs? Maybe you're hiring people that aren't licensed, they're not bonded, they may be cutting corners from their business, from the insurance premiums they have to protect us. And when you're young in business, you don't understand how that can affect me when something goes wrong. I've realized now in business how important it is to vet them with my insurance carrier to make sure that I'm hiring people that are gonna stand behind their work, that are gonna be here for a long run, because my name and reputation is on the line at the end of the day. As we were looking for insurance, of course, we're looking at price. That's gonna be a big part of it, but it's not everything. Just like for our clients, we're selling a value package, not just a bottom line, lowest bid process. And it's the very same for insurance. When you're looking at that though, it's really important to understand what is the relationship we're gonna get from our insurance broker. So as you look at just understanding the risk we have, navigating that, counseling that, and then someone who's very responsive to take the burden to make sure that our subs are compliant, that is why we partner with Tyler and Tim, and especially now the coordination where they're actually working with our subcontractors and suppliers direct. That's taking a huge burden off of us, which has affected our premiums. And so understanding that we can work with them to not only be protected, but that can adjust, our premiums has been a huge benefactor for us. To be fair, as we've had issues, which we have, the reality is nothing goes perfect in construction. Nothing goes perfect on our projects, with our clients, with our subs, even some that I've worked with for a long time and had a great relationship. And so having someone stand behind that and navigate, say, hey Brad, here's an option, we can do this, we can navigate through this, here's something that's gonna save you money. Just being open, we had dealt probably a year ago on a new project, and the owner's rep had required a different umbrella policy, which really created a huge expense to me as the owner of the company and our, just the bottom line. And so as we pivoted through that, working with Tim and Tyler, and they said, look, if we work with these parameters and we do some front end work and we do some back end stuff on our side, it'll help when we go to renewal. And so being counseled through that, where it's not just, hey, I'm trying to make the sale, but they're looking to build a relationship. They're looking how they can save us money while still not shorting us on our coverage. And so for me, just like anyone, and Tyler knows this, they know that we're gonna get quotes. We're gonna have to be open and have that bid process just to see where we're at. But at the end of the day, I don't make my decisions on price. Most of my customers don't either. It is a big factor, but there's a lot more to that sales envelope than just the dollar amount itself.